We have started seeing some basic concepts of physics here, small basic concepts, right? Now if you observe in this situation, what the concepts you have seen in the last videos, if you see here, okay, 1 second here, okay. Okay, fine. Seen some concepts of meaning regarding this equations of motion. V is equal to u plus at, correct? And one is v square minus u square is equal to 2as, and s is equal to ut plus of at square. S is equal to ut plus of at square, right? And another one is s nth is equal to u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. Okay, na? U plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. These are the concepts the formulas which we have seen till now. Okay. So among these two, which one we have to use when? That is a very important thing here. Here this one to be used only when he was asking the total time of journey, the distance traveled in the total time, means in 10 seconds how much he was using, in 20 seconds how much, in 10 seconds how much displacement he was having, in 20 seconds how much displacement is having. In these situations only we have to go for this expression. Whereas coming to this one, this is a distance traveled in nth second, means what is the distance traveled in third second, what is the distance traveled in the fourth second, what is the distance traveled in the fifth second. In that particular situations we have to go for this. Understood here? Okay now. So these are the formulas, expressions which are much useful for us. Understood here? So, and some more we have seen here. The things what we have seen in the last videos is, one is average speed. Average speed means we have seen this one as total distance. What is it here? Total distance traveled by total time. Total distance traveled by total time. This is the one more which we have seen. And next, average velocity. Average velocity means total displacement. What is it here? Total displacement by total time. Correct? This is what we have seen in the last videos here, right? And next, what we are going to see now here is one more we have seen, that is instantaneous velocity. What is it here? Instantaneous velocity. Instantaneous velocity in sense here. Instantaneous velocity in sense. You are going from your hometown to Bangalore. Let's consider from your home to you are going to the Bangalore. You are going to the Bangalore. When you are going from your home to Bangalore, or when you are moving from one place to another place, we cannot maintain the constant speed here. We cannot maintain the constant speed. During the time of journey, got it here? During the time of journey, got it here? Our velocity is going to be continuously changes. During the time of journey, our velocity will be continuously changing. Means at a particular time on the highways, we can maintain a speed of 100 km per hour or 80 km per hour. But we cannot maintain the same speed. At when you're into the signals, or maybe in a villages, maybe in towns, in traffic time. If a traffic is very high, we cannot maintain that speed here. We have to go at a speed of 10 km per hour or 20 km per hour. Our speed will be continuously changes. Place to place, position to position, if your speed is changing. At a particular instant, the speed of the body is taken as the instantaneous speed. What is it here? Instantaneous speed means, okay na? One more time I'll try it. From here you are started in your car and reaching some other position. Okay, and when you reach this position here, throughout this journey, your speed is not constant. Speed is not constant here. Your velocity is not constant. Velocity is not constant at all. Velocity is not constant. Your velocity is continuously changes. Okay, na? When your velocity is changing, let's consider you started your journey at morning 7 o'clock, 7 a.m. and reached the Bangalore evening. Let's imagine that 5 p.m. Evening 5 o'clock you have reached here. Means from 7 o'clock to 5 o'clock, your speed is not same. Your speed is not same. Understood here? So at a particular time of 10 a.m. your speed may be 70 kilometers per hour kmph. At 12 p.m. maybe let's consider 12 p.m. your speed may be 50 kilometers per hour. Correct? Okay, na? Means your speed is not constant throughout the journey. From starting point to final point, destination point, your speed is not constant. When your speed is not constant, I can simply say that, okay, at a particular time, you will have some speed intensity. Got it here? Sorry. At a particular time, you will have a speed. That speed is called as instantaneous speed. What is it here? Instantaneous speed. Understood your point here? Instantaneous speed. At a particular instant, you'll have the speed which is defined as the instantaneous speed. Got it here? Fine. So these are the some things which we have seen here. Okay, got the difference here. Throughout the journey, will not have the same speed. Throughout the journey, will not have the same speed. At a particular instant, your speed will be continuously changes. Instantaneous speed means at a particular instant, at a time t, your speed is so and so. Right? Here I will discuss one more example here. Basing on the average speed only here. Basing on the average speed, we'll discuss one more here. The one is, let's consider. A boy starts, simple, I will tell you the question here. You're going from your hometown to the Bangalore, let's imagine that. You started your journey at 7 a.m. When you started your journey at 7 a.m. You started at 7 a.m. here. Okay, you had the tiffin at home and restarted your journey to Bangalore. Let's imagine that. Actually, the time of journey to the Bangalore maybe you may reach by 5 p.m. You will reach by 5 p.m. Let's imagine that. You will reach the Bangalore by 5 p.m. Let's consider here. Okay, na? Let's imagine that one. Okay, in a situation from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. is the total time of journey. Total time of journey. What is total time of journey? The total time of journey is 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. What is the time of journey? 10 hours. Correct, ma? 10 hours. 10 hours is the total time of journey. 10 hours. Got it here? 7 o'clock to 12 o'clock. 5 hours. From there 5. Total time of journey is 10 hours is the time of journey. Let's imagine that. You started your journey from your home and reaching the destination, that is, let's consider the Bangalore, will reach by 5 p.m. Means the total time of journey is 10 hours, right? Let's imagine. Now, during this, from 7 o'clock you made your car driving here and I think so you stopped at 10 a.m. What is it here? 10 a.m. For a small tea, let's consider, have small snacks. For snacks purpose you are halted somewhere. Okay, you halted somewhere, right? Okay, na? So how much time you waited? Let's imagine that 30 minutes you waited here for tiffin or snacks. Let it be anything here. Okay, na? Got it? Yeah, good morning here. Someone said a good morning. You are good morning. Okay, fine. Yes, at 7 o'clock you started your journey. At 10 o'clock you stopped, you just waited for half an hour for having the small snacks, let's imagine. And after half an hour, at 10:30 again you started your journey. Here I want to tell you one very important point, listen carefully, okay? You started your journey at 10:30 and started driving here again. Okay, right. And reached this some around 1 o'clock. Again what happens at 1 p.m. commonly we'll be hungry Angry, hungry. Okay, hungry. So again, you waited for lunch. You stopped. You have taken a small halt for lunch. Let's consider you have a lunch for 1 hour. Commonly, we have to order. We'll stop at a hotel. We'll order it, and they have the bearers to bring it, and we have to have it. We have to pay the bill and come back. Okay, na? You have to pay the bill. Yeah, do not forget to pay the bill. Okay, so at up to means I think so. You stop here. What I mean here. Here you waited for 1 hour. How much you waited here? 1 hour. Means again you started your journey at 2 p.m. You started your journey at 2 p.m. and reached the destination here. After going to Bangalore, you'll have again snacks here. No need of this one. Okay? Got it here? Here my question here is, what is the average speed? What is the average speed? Average speed. Okay, average speed. The total distance from here to Bangalore, let's take it around is total distance. Distance is 500 kilometers. Let's imagine 500 kilometers. Let's see. Okay. Now my question here is average speed. Average speed. What is the average speed? So during average speed, what is the average speed? Total distance traveled by total time. Total distance traveled by total time. What is the total distance traveled by total time? Total distance traveled how much? 500. Total distance traveled is 500. Correct? What is the total time of journey? Here many will get out. Sir, total time of journey from 7 o'clock to 5 o'clock means it's 10 hours. Okay, accepted. 10 hours. Okay. But between here, I waited for 30 minutes. And here I am waiting for this 1 hour. Correct, Anna? Correct, Anna? So, either this time we are not having any displacement. We are at rest. Okay. Our car is not having any displacement. It was not in motion at all. Correct? Means here in 30 minutes and here 1 hour. 30 minutes we waited for snacks and snacks tiffin like that. And whereas here we waited for lunch 1 hour. Did we have to consider that time also? Yes, we have to consider. Yes, we have to consider, that's all. Why? Because average speed means total distance by total time. Total distance traveled by total time. Means total time of journey we have to consider from this point to this point. Many will get out here. So here 30 minutes we waited. We didn't have any displacement during that time. Why we have to consider? Got it? And again you will wait here for 1 hour. Got it here? We have to consider even that time also. Got it? Average speed means this time should be considered. What I mean to intimate you here, what the point I have to highlight here is this one. Okay? During time of journey, if you have taken some halt anywhere, we have to consider even that time also. Understood here? Got it here? Okay, na? Fine. Stop chatting here. Just listen the class first of all. Okay? Stop chatting here. Good morning, sir. Huh? Okay, right, fine. This is the one example. What I mean to say here is, during the time of journey, we have to consider the, okay, during the time of journey, 100% we have to consider the total time here. Even though you have taken some halting, even the time you have to consider. Okay, na? This is average speed. Average speed. Got it here? What is average speed and average velocity? We'll have one numerical. I'll give one example here. A boy started riding the cycle in a circular path of radius. Got it here? Of radius, the radius of the circular path is, take it as 10 meters. Okay, 10 meters. Okay, with a constant speed. Now the question is, sorry, okay, for completing the one revolution, the time taken is, let's consider 30 minutes. Okay, or take it 40 minutes, I think so. 40 will be good here. 40 minutes. The time taken for completing one revolution, he has taken 40 minutes. 40 minute. Okay, 40 minute. For completing the one revolution, he was taking a time of 40 minute. Understood here? 40 minute. Now my question here is, what is the average speed, and average velocity, average speed and average velocity, got it here, for after 2 revolutions. What is it here? After 2 revolutions. Understand my question here? Here a boy started riding a cycle in a circular arc of radius 10 meters. He will take a time of 40 minutes, let's imagine. Or walking, let us take it, what happened? Radius. Or walking. A man is walking in a circular track. Commonly our elders, fathers, grandpas will make a walking. They'll go to the ground and evening time they'll have some walking exercise for them. Right now, same way. Or grandpa, let's consider. Our grandpa is started walking in a ground which is near to our home, right? He was making the rounds in the ground. Okay, he has taken for one round, for one complete rotation, he was taking 40 minutes of time. The radius of the ground is 10 meters, let's consider. Okay, 10 meters walking here. Okay, now what is the average speed and average velocity after completion of 2 revolutions? Means 2 revolutions here. Revolutions. For completing 2 revolutions, he completed 2 revolutions successfully here. Okay, then what is the average speed and average velocity? Average speed and average velocity, right? Fine. Let us see. Average speed means a total distance. For one rotation, what is this distance? 2 pi r. This is, what is this amount? 2 pi r. For one rotation, 2 pi r. Understood? From this position to reach this position again, he will take 40 minutes and the distance traveled is 2 pi r. For one rotation, right? One more rotation he was making. Understood my point here? Okay, understanding. So the body, our grandpa started walking. He completed 1 revolution. In 1 revolution, how much he will travel here? 2 pi r. Okay, he completed 2nd revolution also. Then total distance traveled is 2 pi r into 2 pi r, right? Total distance is 2 pi r plus 2 pi r, 2 pi r and 2 pi r. Total distance is we have to add it, right? By time. What is the time? 40 minutes. How much? 40 minutes. Okay, na? Got it here? So we can simplify here. We'll get here. Correct? See, for one rotation, for one revolution, 40 minutes. 2 revolution means 40 plus 40, 80. Understanding why I am writing for 80 here? Total time taken is 80. For one revolution he was taking 40. Second revolution also 40. Total time is 80 minutes, right? Fine, is equal to, this is 4 pi r. What is r? 10. Correct? By, what is this? 80. Got it, Nara? So this is in minutes here. Careful, okay? You just simplify this. 0, 0 cancels. This goes 2 times. You get pi by 2. What is the pi value, amma? 22 by 7. Correct? Oh, 1 second here. Yeah, fine. Welcome back. Yeah, this is pi by 2. What is this pi by 2 here? Pi by 2. Pi by 2 is the pi. What is the pi value here? 22 by 7 means 3.14, right? So just calculate this. 22 by 7 by 2. It's equal to, you will get 11 by 7. What will get the units? Be careful here. Units must be careful. What is this? This r is in meters. So meter per. Time we have taken in minutes. Meter per minute. Meter per minute. What's that here? Meter per minute. Understood here? So that's what. 11 meters per minute. 11 meters per minute is the average speed. So in this way we have to find the average speed. Okay, na? For one rotation, I will tell you one more time. I will repeat it once. Let's listen carefully. Radius is 10 meters. Time taken is 40. Time taken is 40 minutes. He has completed 2 revolutions. 2 revolutions means what is the distance traveled? 2 pi r. plus 2 pi r. For one revolution 2 pi r, for two revolutions 2 plus 2 pi r. Okay na? 2 plus 2 pi r. So total distance is 2 pi r plus 2 pi r. 4 pi r. Correct? By total time is, what is the total time taken? 40 minutes is the time. Okay, 40 minutes is the time for one revolution. For two revolutions here, 40 plus what? 80. Here we must be careful that here, okay, here what we have to consider here is, it is in minutes. Time is in minutes. Okay, be careful. If it is required, you have to convert that into seconds also. 70 into 60 meter per second. So this is the answer. Okay na? Okay na? Right, fine. This is the average speed. Now coming to the average velocity, we have to calculate here. Average velocity I have to calculate over here. Yeah. Average velocity I have to calculate here. In this, if you observe here, average velocity means total displacement. See here, what is the displacement in this situation when he was taking like this? What is the displacement when he completed the two revolutions? When our grandpa is completed two revolutions, I can say here, see here, he started from here and reached this point. What is the displacement? Zero. Displacement 0. From here to here, again he reached this point. Then what is the displacement? 0. Displacement is 0. So what is average velocity? Average velocity means total displacement by total time. Total displacement we are getting 0. What is the total time? 80 minutes. Okay, you will get the 0 is the answer. Average velocity becomes 0. Got it here? This is a one example here. I'll tell you one more time, repeat it. See, okay, a man is walking in a circular track with of radius. What is the radius here? 10 meters. We have taken the radius of this one as 10 meters. Okay, and he completed two revolutions. For completing one revolution, he will take 40 minutes. For completing the two revolutions, after completion of the two revolutions, what is the average speed and what is the average velocity? Average speed means total displacement, total time, whereas average displacement is this one. Okay, na? Right, fine. So these are the some examples we can say here basing on this average speed and average velocity. Okay, na? One more time here, we will tell you here average speed. As we seen one, as we have seen one here, this is A and B is the means A and B. As we seen from our home to the Bangalore. I'll tell you one more time here. In between at 10 o'clock you are taken some rest. At 1 o'clock you waited for lunch. Okay. We have to consider total time. Okay na? Here if you say here average speed, I am saying as total time itself. Total time we have to consider even the body is at rest. Okay na? Got it? Average speed. Okay. If they specially mention anything, do not consider the time of journey when you time when the particular person is at rest, then no need of considering. If they didn't mention anything here, we have to consider the total time of journey. Okay na? Fine. This is one example which I can take here. Okay, fine. Now let us see some more here. We'll discuss one more example. If it is required, we'll discuss even one more here. Let us see here. What is this? Means from take it one example. No, I'll go for this. Yeah. Try to understand this one a little bit. Okay. A lorry or take a bus. What happened? Yeah. Bus here. This is. Okay. Bus is going in this direction. Fine. So starting from this, u is equal to 0. Acceleration is 2 meter per second square. 2 meter per second square. Now, a boy, a school boy, he want to catch his bus. He started running at 5 meter per second or 2 meters per second. Yeah. Okay, na? Let's take it 4 meter per second. The boy starts running 4 meter per second. Got it here? The distance between the boy and the bus is nearly, take it as 8 meters. Take it as 8 meters. Listen the question carefully. A boy want to catch his bus. The bus already started here with an acceleration of 2 meter per second square. Started means initial velocity is 0. Got it? And the boy, he want to catch his bus. Okay, he want to catch his bus. For catching his bus, he started with the maximum velocity. 4 meter per second he was running towards the bus. And the distance between the bus and the boy is 8 meters. Okay, after how much time the boy will catches the bus? After how much time the boy will catches the bus? One more time, listen carefully here. The boy, a bus starts moving. Starts means initial velocity 0. Acceleration is 2 meter per second. Okay, and the boy, he want to catch his school bus, so he started running here. Okay, now started running with a velocity. He can run at a speed of 4 meter per second. Let's consider. In 1 second, he can travel 4 meters, right? And the distance between the man, so the boy and the bus is 8 meters. After how much time he can catch the bus? After how much time he can catch the bus? That's the question here. After how much time he can catch the bus? Understood here? After how much time he can catch the bus? That's the question here. Okay? Right. See here means if the bus is at rest, we can say easily in 2 seconds he will catch the bus. If the bus is at rest, bus is not moving. He was 8 meters. Okay. What is his speed? 4 meters per second. 8 meters means in 2 seconds he will catch the bus. Okay. Fine. Now the bus is moving. After some time, the boy, let's consider, I'm drawing here. Let's imagine that the boy catches the bus. The boy catches the bus. Okay. Correct, na? He catches the bus here. Means during this time, the bus will travel some distance. Some distance is accelerated way. The bus will travel some distance. The distance, take it as some x. The bus will travel a distance of x. Let's imagine that. Then, actually what we want to find here? We want to find the time. How much time he will take. Okay? Listen carefully. For boy, I'm writing the distance here. For boy, the distance he traveled, s is equal to how much? 8 plus x here. Between the boy and bus is 8. And the bus traveled a distance of x. What is the total distance traveled by the boy? X plus 8. Carefully listen here. Carefully if you listen, easy to understand. Okay, na? And what is the acceleration of the bus? So the boy, acceleration is 0. Why? Because he was moving the constant speed. When the boy is moving the constant speed, acceleration is 0. So initial velocity how much? 4 meter per second. 4 meter per second. Initial velocity is 4 meter per second. I want to write the time t. So from these 3 expressions, which one I can use it? So for this 4 must be there, means which expression I use it? S is equal to U plus of A, which means V is equal to plus A, which one? S is equal to UT plus of A. Take it. UT plus of AT square. What is S? X plus 8. U 4. T time T plus of A. What is A? A how much? 0. T square. So how much you're getting? X plus 8 is equal to 4t. Let it be the first expression. Okay? Got it here? So first write for the boy. Now I'm writing for the bus. For the bus. How much distance the bus will travel? What is the distance traveled by the bus? Distance traveled by the bus is x. Okay? And what is its initial velocity? Bus starts from rest, u0. What is the acceleration? 2. Acceleration of the bus is 2. Okay, na? What is the time taken? This time I have to calculate here. That's what you know about the question. Information what is going, just write them like this. See, after writing this, by seeing this expression, you will get an idea which one how to use it. S is equal to UT plus of H square, V is equal to U plus AT, V square is equal to 2AS, that all right here. S is equal to UT plus of H square, I am using one more time here. Same expression I am using here. What is S? S is nothing but X. Okay, na? What is U? U is 0. Of A, what is A? 2. T square. So how much we are getting is X is equal to, okay na? What I am getting here is, okay. What I am getting here is x is equal to u square, right now? X is equal to t square, sorry. X is equal to t square. I'm getting as x square, x is equal to t square. Just once you see this expression and this equation, two equations here, we'll get answer from here. Just simplify these two expressions and we'll get the answer here. Just if you observe here, write this x is equal to here as t square. Okay? X is equal to, write this here. X is equal to t square right here. Okay na? So what you'll get, therefore first equation becomes like this: t square plus 8 is equal to 40. Bring this side, t square minus 40 plus 8 is equal to 0. Correct na? T square minus 40 plus 8 is equal to 0. Now what you'll have, tell me here. Just substitute what is the t value, calculate. T value, you know how to find the roots? You know it na? How to find the roots? Okay? Simplify, right? Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac you can write. Calculate here. Minus b plus or minus. Minus b means 4 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. 4ac is 8. 8 4s are, yeah, 2a. I'll tell you one point here. Okay, now how much I'm getting? 4 plus or minus root of 16 minus 8 4s are. 8 4s are how much? 32. Correct na? 32 by 2. If you observe this expression, in the roots I'm getting the negative. Roots, in the roots I'm getting the minus. In the roots I'm getting the minus means what's the meaning of that one? Imaginary roots. Means the boy cannot catch the bus. Very good point. The boy cannot catch the bus. I'm not getting the t value, so t roots I'm getting as imaginary roots I'm getting here. Not possible here. See, I'm getting root. How can I write it? Correct na? B square minus 4ac, correct? See, I'm getting the roots here. Minus. I'm getting in the root. In the root, I'm getting as a minus. In the root, if I'm getting the minus here, then what does it represent here? Okay, if you see this one, 16 minus 32. Root 16 minus 32, how much? Minus root 16. Minus root 16, not possible here. Minus root 16, not possible. Means he cannot catch the bus. He cannot catch the bus. Okay, na? What is quadratic equation? Quadratic equation means nothing but this one here. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What are the roots for this? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. B square minus 4ac by 2a is the quadratic equation. Got it yet? So just compare these two, you'll get an idea now. Okay? Compare these two, you'll get an idea. Now compare these two, you'll get an idea here. Okay? T. Okay? In the place of a, just compare these two. First, this is one expression here from this expression and this expression. Compare these two. This is a quadratic equation. Roots for the quadratic. Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. Okay na? So this is the expression. So here I am getting the roots are minus, means the boy cannot catch the bus. The boy cannot catch the bus. In this way we will have the number of examples here. We will discuss in the coming classes. Okay na? Just for basic only here. Okay. Those who are newly joining here, let them, no problem. Continue the first things here. It will be good for you. Okay na? Fine. Just for practice only. Okay. Right. Bye. Take care.